Good day guys. I'm SCJ Repair Shop. Today I have here iPhone 13 Pro Max with common issue. This issue spreading out around the world. And all users severely suffer for this matter. But don't worry. I'm here to help you. Reminders. For those using iPhone 13 series and above. This issue coming for you whether you like it or not. No matter how much you care for your phone. It suddenly happens, the unexpected events that you would never ever accepted, and you came at the point that you have no choice and you have to seek service attention to solve your problem. And this video, I will show you how to solve it. So please, stay tuned and subscribe. Click the bell icon for you to get notified in my future videos. Put the phone into holder to perfectly facilitate the separation, and put a minimum amount of heat above in it. To loosen the adhesive tape for me to easily take off the LCD. Reminders. This video is for your future references. SCJ Repair Shop assumed no responsibility and reliability of any errors or omissions in this video. This process requires experience and proper hand skills for better result. If experience haven't acquired yet, please leave it to professionals. Now, it's time for repair process. Again, you must be careful of what you're doing especially in this process. Always watch your hands. Every step you make is a must. Don't damage display flex or even it fold can be more dangerous. So please, observed. After done repairing, always check if there's a shortage and assemble the LCD for testing. Apple logo on screen. It means I have done successfully the process on how to repair white screen of death in iPhone 13 Pro Max. If you guys satisfied in this video, leaving me a subscription is much more appreciated, and it would be my stepping stone reaching out of all in need regarding in our repair industries. And for me to motivate and make a lot of video tutorials to us to grow more and learn more. God bless everyone. Alright. I think the full function of the LCD is back to normal again. Touch is working properly and display is so bright. And I'm sure my client would very much happy today for his phone with good as new performance. Okay guys. This is the end of my video. Thank you very much for continuously supporting me. All your support can be my foundation and my strength, and no words can express that kindness. I wish all the best to everyone. Hakuna Matata. Bye bye.